All right. Let's see, everything's still original. It is.
The first 2026 take.
2026 take. Oh, look, behind you.
Oh, what's behind here?
The park and go.
Park and go. That's all. Okay.
Oh, look, above the left door.
Yeah, that's all. Somebody put a sticker on here or something. An elevator emergency, date 1-5. Oh, they must have had some sort of emergency on this elevator. Maybe the fire department put a sticker on there.
Yeah,
Maybe this was out of order. I don't know.
I think.
We'll try it. Okay.
All right. This is the 2026 take at the Carriage Park Garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. January the 10th.
10. Okay.
But this garage is open about 33 years now.
All right.
Once again, still the sign there too.
Yep, that's just in case it snows a lot.
So that will be coming March or April, the spring.
Okay. Call the elevator.
But look, let's zoom in.
I'm not sure exactly what that is, but
That's
it's dated on the 5th. Okay. Okay. Hit the button, Jesse.
All right, let's write it. So here we go.
Okay.
All right, 6.
6. Okay.
Everything there is still original.
Mm-hmm.
Chime up here has been replaced.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
all right.
Okay. Let's head back down.
To G, aka ground floor.
We'll get a cab view.
On the way down,
Mm-hmm.
the cab's been original
For a long time,
for a
huh?
long time. It's now 33 years. These are buttons. Adam Survivor. Whoa! It bounced.
That's a little jerky.
Very jerky.
Yeah, they need to fix that. Okay.
Okay.
Is that it? Watch it close up.
But the other one is a very bad door timer.
Right. Right. It's a lot faster, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that it?
But look, well, I can see the indicator.
Mm-hmm. Yep. That one's here on the ground.
Yep.
If you press the button, it'll just open the same one.
That's a double chime.
Oh, okay. Is this one?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Last one.
This is the last of the second car.
Mm-hmm.
They fixed the door timer. They finally fixed the door timer.
Mm-hmm.
Finally.
Or it's just randomly working correctly.
Yep. All the chimes been replaced.
Mm-hmm.
But Dad, hold the door in a second. Let me see look at the door operator. Yeah, start a rust. That's why they're getting modernized. Let's head back down to G.
Down G?
Yep. Yes.
Okay, G we go.
So this is just like the other car.
Mm-hmm.
Stainless steel. There's Dad. Hi.
Hi, it's cold.
There's 5,000 pounds capacity. It's a Montgomery.
See, this one levels a lot smoother. Mm-hmm. Okay, now watch how this door here closes up. See if they fix that bumper on it or not.
Oh, they fixed it.
Just what you think. Yeah, it's better than it was.
That's so good.
Okay, come on. Come on, Debbie.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Is that it?
Yep.
Still no renovation?
There will be renovations coming this spring.
Well, something happened on this one with that sticker on it and
Yeah.
everything. So hopefully they get it.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay. Bye-bye.
That's it for the winter of 2026.
Yep.
Stay tuned for spring
Or 2026. Yeah.
of this year for March or April.
Okay. All right.
All right, let's head to the store.
Yep.
Is the
Super Saver.
Super Saver at 27 Corner Square.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.